My ears are literally like ringing. Like I think I'm gonna be deaf. I did not expect that to pop right in front of me. And the pump broke. I fixed the pump, but the pump piece like just came out. Like that did not go according to plan. Like my ears are killing me. I'm gonna have to take a break from this video. Like this is. Wow, I can't hear. Wow. Let me get the ball. Look at the ball, guys. Oh my God, look at the ball. Wow. This will literally not pop. Like this thing is built like an oval right now. And like literally is deformed. And it still won't pop. I even had my boy Sean do it and he couldn't even pop it, dude. Look at this thing. Look, this thing is round. Like this thing is deformed. Like it literally, I don't know what to do. Oh! Oh, this work, man. Bro, we could have just done an easier video. Holy. Oh my God. Damn, bro, look. It just popped.
Huh?
It just popped out of nowhere.
We got too much in that thing, man.
I know, what the? I was just like, boom, and then. That scare you? You heard that?
I thought it was an earthquake. I mean,
Oh, like an earthquake?
I thought it was a lightning that just went.
Oh,
I saw it, earphones on.
yeah. No, we're just shooting around. I know it's gonna. That's crazy, yo. Whoa, bro. Wow.
Gotta make sure this thing got all the air. Whoa! Oh my! Oh my God! That was my basketball. Oh, bro! I don't know. Look at this, bro. Oh, you thought it was gunshot, bro? That scared me. Oh my God! That never happened to me before. Wow, this is crazy.
What happened? Did you hear that? What happened? Come here, look. My balls just exploded. What happened? Yeah, but did you see what happened?
Yeah.
What's up? The ball just exploded. Where you know me from, man?
YouTube.
What's up, dude?
Subscribe to you.
Oh yeah? You're gonna see this video too. Exploding basketballs. Go ahead, you got ball. Damn, what happened? I didn't even that's crazy, bro. I didn't know. I thought it was supposed to be, I thought balls were supposed to be that bouncy when you play. No?
No, it's like, it's like you're supposed to come back to you, but not too
Holy
high,
shit, scared me. The air literally hit my freaking chest. That shit came at me hard. Oh. Damn.